Hello bachcho, let us look at this question which says, how is smallpox transmitted? Option A, droplets released through cough or sneeze from a patient. Option B, touching objects contaminated by bodily fluids of a patient. Option C, the bite of Musca domestica carrying the virus. And option D, both A and B. तो हमें जैसे पता है कि smallpox is now eradicated from all over the world. And it was a very contagious disease. तो इसका ट्रांसमिशन ना मेनली फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन होता है बाय द मोड ऑफ ब्लड प्रोडक्ट्स, मतलब कि जब अनक्लीन नीडल या अनसैनिटाइज्ड ब्लड से कोई हेल्दी इंसान कांटेक्ट में आ जाता है, और बाय एयरबोर्न रेस्पिरेटरी ड्रॉपलेट्स. By skin to skin contact, by saliva, and by touching the contaminated surface. So the answer to our question is option B, both A and B. Thank you.